With gas prices breaking budgets, stretching every gallon is more important than ever. Here are 11 tips to boost your gas mileage and save money. Number 1. Lighten your load. Carry only what you need. Extra weight reduces fuel efficiency by about 1% per 100 pounds. Number 2. Maintain your tires. Proper tire pressure and alignment can improve fuel efficiency by up to 10%. Number 3. Change your air filter and spark plugs regularly. A dirty air filter alone can reduce fuel economy by 10%. Number 4. Avoid idling. Turn off your engine if you're stopped for more than a minute to save fuel. Number 5. Accelerate slowly and brake gradually. This can improve your fuel economy by up to 40%. Number 6. Slow down. Driving over 50 miles per hour decreases your fuel efficiency. Number 7. Use cruise control on the highway. It helps maintain a steady speed, improving fuel economy. Number 8. Use fuel labeled top tier to keep your engine clean and efficient. Number 9. Park in the shade. A cooler car means less work for your AC, saving fuel. Number 10. Consider upgrading to a vehicle with modern fuel-saving technologies. Lastly, if your car has an electronic display showing an estimated miles to empty number, use it only as a guideline rather than a precise measurement. The accuracy of these displays varies based on a few factors. Follow these tips to maximize your fuel economy and keep more money in your pocket.